Still swinging an axe or wrestling with stubborn logs on the job site? What if you could split tough firewood with precision, power, and way less strain? Meet the 12-ton manual hydraulic wood splitting log firewood splitter. Built for contractors, builders, and hands-on professionals who need reliable power without the hassle of gas or electricity. When you're working construction, landscaping, or property maintenance, time and safety matter. This splitter gives you controlled, consistent force, so you can handle hardwood logs without back-breaking effort. With 12 tons of manual hydraulic force, this splitter easily powers through dense firewood. The heavy-duty steel frame is built to handle rough environments, while the manual pump system gives you full control. No fuel, no cords, no downtime. Whether you're prepping firewood on site, maintaining rental properties, or working remote locations, this splitter is dependable, portable, and ready when you are. Upgrade your workflow and protect your body. Get powerful, efficient wood splitting without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. Have questions? Our team is here to help. Visit saxby.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saxby.com.